Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious Trinidad-style sea moss drink. First, gather your ingredients: raw sea moss, condensed milk, vanilla essence, nutmeg, cinnamon, and water. Ensure your sea moss is clean and free from debris before you begin the soaking process. This refreshing beverage is a staple in Trinidadian culture, known for its unique flavor and creamy texture. Let's get started on this easy guide. To begin, thoroughly rinse your raw sea moss under running water to remove any sand or debris. Next, place the clean sea moss in a bowl and cover it with fresh water, adding a squeeze of lime juice. Allow it to soak for at least 8 hours, or ideally overnight, to soften and expand. This soaking process also helps to eliminate any strong sea scent. Finally, drain and rinse the soaked sea moss one more time before moving to the next step. Now, transfer your softened sea moss to a high-powered blender. Add fresh water and blend until it forms a smooth, jelly-like consistency. Next, pour in condensed milk to achieve that signature sweetness and creamy texture. Enhance the flavor with aromatic spices such as a pinch of nutmeg and a dash of cinnamon. Don't forget a teaspoon of vanilla essence for an extra layer of deliciousness. Blend all ingredients until fully combined and smooth. After blending, you may strain the mixture if you prefer a super silky texture, though it's often enjoyed as is. For the best experience, chill your sea moss drink thoroughly in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully and ensures a refreshing temperature. Before serving, taste and adjust the sweetness or spice levels to your liking. Finally, pour the chilled drink over ice for a truly invigorating and authentic Trinidadian sea moss beverage. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.